I have no idea. Just a stampede of fucking children.
Cody gave them all to me. He was like, "You're on the team." He just gave me a box of.
What do you need all these for?
He just gave them to me. I don't need them,
dude.
I have one.
This is diabetes.
We're filming and skating literally all day. Street skating all fucking day.
First things first. Let's go to the skate park.
I'm going to the fucking skate park.
Yes, we are.
Such a love, trade for
How bad was it?
How much for an eighth of that weed cream?
He asked you a funny joke. Respond hilariously.
It's 10 a gram, you get a deal.
You must be getting really high.
He needs more weed.
You're absorbing the weed into your knee.
God damn.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, I tried.
Jesus, I thought you were gonna fucking kill me.
I don't know how that happened.
Oh, fuck!
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not a rookie.
Mark anything that you think I'll use too.
Well, you could look through it too.
You said you could look through it too.
That was aggressive.
That was scary.
Violently aggressive.
I'm done. Go.
The only one cursed with knowledge. Ah! Do the fucking smash. What? That was crazy.
This is Dan's. This is Dan's brain on Avengers.
Endgame! Yes, Park, I'm in the endgame! Pardon me, endgame business! I'm in them! Excuse me, endgames!
I'm gonna spoil it.
Are you gonna film for the next 3 hours?
I'm gonna film this and then upload it later.
Hold on.
What are you doing?
Getting free popcorn. The free refills.
Okay, you should get a drink too. 'Cause
I'm going to.
There's a cup.
Ew.
I gotta make sure it's
Wait,
the right
that one's
size.
gross.
Yeah, look at.
Yeah, but I go to the bathroom and I wash them all. We're in the end games right now, guys. So you go to the movie theater. Instead of paying like $10 for popcorn, you just go in the trash can and find the extra large of each the soda and then the popcorn. You wash them out in the bathroom and it's free refills.
So you steal.
Yes.
No.
You borrow.
I
She said
wouldn't call
borrow.
it stealing. That's a harsh word.
I would call it come upping. We're come upping.
The coolest thing about this whole YouTube internet thing that I started 2.5 years ago is the community that has been built around this. Not only have I built a community of people around myself, but there's like a community within the audience and you guys, and then some of you guys have reached out to me and we now work together on the brand. So it's kind of like a collective thing, and that's what Slammin' represents. It represents like everybody just working together and building a community around yourself. And I've never really had like a mission statement or a message with the brand, and it just kind of dawned on me the other day. I was like sitting in the shower and I just thought it was perfect. What?
I just like picturing you sitting in the shower.
So I'm gonna remind you guys that the new drop, part 2 of the spring summer drop, is coming in June, and we're gonna be doing a hardcore show at Program June 22nd. So the drop will probably be around the same days.
Stop wasting all